Here's the 1989 53 Ocean motor yacht located at Sunset Bay Marina in Stewart. Tender is included, and we'll head on deck. Power on port and starboard. Cushions are down below for the forward seats. Windlass. And you can enter from port or starboard side. And it is in need of a small repair. You can see right down there, there's that covers the exhaust system, and there's a cosmetic hole. It needs some fiberglass work, a little more than cosmetic, but nothing to do with mechanical. That's probably $300-400 bucks. Go forward down to stateroom, head, and engine room. Obviously, there's the head. Forward stateroom. Small bunks in here. Another head. Washer dryer area. There's a hanging locker over there. And here's engine room. 3,800 hours on the generator. 2,600 on the Detroits. Spare set of props, and I'll head back up. Adjustable twin seats, Garmin 7612, Simrad autopilot, serviceable VHFs, but the radar is pretty old. You could easily upgrade to a Garmin. It'd be plug and play with the 7612. Fairly new stove, oven, refrigerator, freezer, dishwasher, and trash compactor. And back here is the salon. It is expansive. Really, really nice. Little bar set up there. Another refrigerator. Owner's quarters aft. Head. Another closet here. Here's the head shower. And a small bunk. Alrighty, we'll head back up. Here's the aft deck. These windows do open. And that's making your way down to the swim platform. And back into the main salon. This is just quite nice up here. That's a laminate floor. Now we can head up to the flybridge. Flybridge, another autopilot, Fusion stereo, and another 7612 Garmin. Bow thruster, of course, up here and down below. All the cushions are also down below. They're all in reasonable condition. The seat cushions, captain's chair and co-captain's chair is right there. And there's the tender. It looks like it needs some air, but it's been looking like that, and I have not brought a pump over to inflate it. So if I was going to bet, I'd say no leaks, because it would have been flat by now, and it's the same as the first day I saw it. Beautiful view up here. Can't find an enclosure on board, but your call if you even want one with a lower station blow. I like having them up here too, but it's all personal taste.